Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a subscription service. So to start off, subscription services are great for those weekly, monthly, or yearly recurring services that you'd like to offer. So I'm going to start off by clicking this Add Subscription Service button. And here you'll find that in this first step, all you need to do is fill out title, description, and keywords. So I'll paste that in real quick. Alright, so here you see I've added my title, which is Sales Strategy Sync Up. I've added a description, and I've also added keywords to represent my service. This is very critical because when we pull in this information, we needed to suggest the right services to potential clients on your behalf. So next I'll click continue, and I'll be brought to the screen where I can define what's included in my specific subscription service. You may want to offer more than one level, but you can also optionally just offer one level. So to start, I'm going to add in a few pros, so I'll paste that in. Alright, so as you can see, I've went ahead and added the different benefits I'd like to offer on each of my levels of my service. So again, you can just have one level, but in this case I have three. So I may have a basic, intermediate, and advanced package I would like to offer. So I've went ahead and added these. For example, level 1, maybe I'm doing foundation building. Level 2, I'm offering things a little bit more intermediate, like targeted strategy crafting, skill enhancement. And then the third level, I want to offer even more advanced things like advanced market insights and strategic sales mapping. Once I've added that, then I can go ahead and add my pricing. So just to explain pricing in detail, you can offer your services at a weekly, monthly, and yearly interval. So for example, for level 1, I may want to offer a weekly price for somebody who wants to pay me week to week. I may want to offer a monthly price for someone who wants to pay monthly, and so on. So I'll go ahead and paste in pricing for each of these levels. Okay, so here I've pasted in weekly, monthly, and yearly pricing for each of the levels I'd like to offer. So notice how for a weekly rate, it's a flat fee of $100, but for monthly pricing, I'm giving the users a percentage off discount, and the same for yearly, meaning if you want users to purchase a premium package that you have, or rather a package that could last for the year, you may want to offer them some sort of discount in that pricing, let's say 20%. It's completely up to you though. This is just optional and more of just an explanation of how I'm pricing each of the levels I'm offering. And then the next piece that may be a bit confusing, but I'm here to clarify, is the call quantity limitation. So it says within a given period, what's the maximum number of video calls a client can book with you? So for example, let's say, assuming that this is a 30-day period, I want to allow my users to be able to book 4 times with me, because this will be a weekly call, just once a week. And then the next question is, in terms of call frequency limitations, how often can a client schedule a video call with you? So when we say 4, this will be 4 times every 30 days. But if you were to drop this down to 7, for example, that's 1 week. So you would essentially be allowing your user to have 16 calls with you for the month. So you can set the interval however, in whichever increments you like. But this will definitely allow you to offer more dynamic range services for what you're offering particularly. In this last step of creating subscription services, I've already added an image to represent my service and also a frequently asked question. So in this case, you're going to want to add images that represent your service. It could be a picture of you as well. That works completely fine. And also, you're going to want to answer any questions that you think your customers may need answered before they purchase your service. So once you've done that, go ahead and click finish. And now your subscription service is created. You will notice that the duration is not applicable because this is a recurring event. So at that point, you are responsible for ending your calls for the time length that you've decided to work with your customer for. So that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and definitely let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.